are the sons and the daughters. We gotta stand up and make it loud. Just like I thought of the Pharaoh, let my people go.
Hi there. My name is UCAN Dunamis, and you are highly welcome to UCAN Dunamis Media. At UCAN Dunamis Media, we help you to easily learn everything you need to know about Photoshop, video editing, and many more. We thank you so much for visiting our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the notification bell in order for you to be able to be notified of every video we upload on this platform. In this video, we are going to learn how to open a new document in Photoshop. Whether you are using Adobe Photoshop CC or CS6, this video is very good for you. You don't need to have any previous knowledge about Photoshop because we are going to start right from scratch. Wishing you all the best, and let's get started. So welcome once again. Let's get started. This is how Photoshop looks like, Adobe Photoshop, when you open it. So here, this large space you see here, this large empty space you see here is called the Workspace. That is where basically everything about Photoshop or every work you do or every editing, every design you do is going to be done. It is called the Workspace. And these items right here, or these things right here, are called the tools in Photoshop. These are the basic tools or the tools you are going to use in your designs or for your designs in Photoshop. But today, our mission here, or what we are going to learn here, is how to open a new document. So if you want your Photoshop to look like my own, then go to Windows, click on Workspace, and go to Essentials. After you are done, go to that same window, click on it, and click on Workspace, and come to Reset Essentials, and click on it. Your Photoshop is going to be reset nicely for you. So now let's get started. We are going to learn how to open a new document. So without wasting much time, just go to File, click on it, and go to Open. Once you click on Open, Photoshop is going to open your files and folders that you have for you. Photoshop is going to help you access every file and folder on your PC or your computer. So now, it is now up to you to scan in whatsoever document or image you want to open. So for example, if I want to open this image right here, I just click on it. Just click on the image you want to select or the document you want to select or you want to open. Just click on it and then come right here and click on Open. That's it. It will be open for you. It's that simple. Let's try again. So go to File, come to Open, click on the document you want to open, and click Open. That's it. Or in Photoshop CC, you can also open it in another way or in a different form or with a different approach. So you can come here and click on the home icon here. It will take you to Home. Where you will see Open right here, you can click on Open and it will take you to your documents as we did earlier, and you can select at all any document that you want. Just click on the document and click on open. And that document is going to open right here on your workspace for you. So today we are not going to learn much. In our next video, we are going to discuss or learn about how to use each of these tools right here in Photoshop and how they are used. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed and hit on the notification bell so that as we upload every new video, you will have access to it. And together, we are going to learn everything and make ourselves perfect in Photoshop, video editing, and many more. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Thank you.